Hi guys, it's me, Ayahnna, and I am here with another video. Excuse me. It's 7:30 a.m. Got the raspy on. So I'm doing this video a little differently. I am coming to you pretty much like in a live way. I'm not doing my beat first and then talking. Yeah. So I'm coming to you first with talking, with my intro, just to tell you what I'm going to be doing, and then I'll do it live, and then I'll give you what I think. I am going to be trying out the Maybelline SuperStay. Yes, I'm going to be trying the Maybelline 24-Hour SuperStay Foundation. I am a fan of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I was in the drugstore recently, I think it was Walgreens, and I was like, oh, 24-hour full coverage. Now, the reason why I love the Fit Me, because it's matte and it's poreless and it matches my color like to a T. So I already have my brows done, hair tied, no makeup on, and no primer, so I think I should prime first, right? Someone else out there that always has to like redo their eyebrows after their foundation routine. Yeah, I hate that, but I have to have my eyebrows done first. And I have a new friend. Her name is Paula. Since it's full coverage, I'm gonna go ahead and use a blending bud. So to dampen my blending bud, I am using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Yep. It's just easier for me to be right here spraying, dampening, and you know, applying foundation. So here we go. So this is in the color 360 Mocha. I forgot to mention that. And it's very thick. So I guess that's where that full coverage is gonna come into play. Let's just start with that much. On camera with lighting, she's coming up super orange, a little bit more darker than my neck. But in person, with my lighting, with my ring light, she's not this dark. I wonder why. My camera is making it look darker. Camera, why are you making my foundation look darker? Man, because it is. It's probably also appearing that way because it's a full coverage product. It's a full coverage foundation. So whatever they use to formulate that texture or coverage, it's probably why it's a hint darker. Which honestly, I don't mind. Like, it will cover my hyperpigmentation really nicely. And you know, when you're in this makeup gig, you learn something new every day. I mean, that's life, right? You learn something new almost every day. And one thing I did learn recently is that if you're going to highlight, sometimes go in just a little hue darker. Hue, you get it, hue, you heard me, hue. Going a little color shade darker, just a tad, not much, will make your highlight pop even more. Yeah, I'm looking like a Oompa Loompa right now. Oompa Loompa, Loompa-dee-doom. But she sets nicely. She sets really nicely. She is definitely mattifying, drying, full coverage. I'm not gonna say poreless. I can still see a little bit of my pores, which I know. I was gonna say I know my translucent powder will help with that, but I don't know if I want to use it giving as though this joint is like really dark. I mean, really drying in and setting in pretty fast. Like, I don't have time to set it because it's setting already. Yeah, this is nice, y'all. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. Boom. So I am going to highlight a little bit just to give my face some dimension and add a little gloss, my mascara, and be on my merry way for the day, okay? Alright, y'all, so I finished my face. So I have my makeup, no makeup look. I will say that my hyperpigmentation right there is popping through. And, you know, it could be because these darker spots are like super, super dark at the top compared to right here. You can't see it. So I could color correct at first. But if you say you want full coverage, I'm gonna need full coverage. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you are thinking about purchasing this, that you will still need to color correct, clearly. And that's after all the blending of my highlight around my forehead area too. So that could have played a part in it as well. However, but again, there's all these variables because y'all know me. I love a natural look. I love a natural look. I really don't need like a full coverage. I was just trying it out. And I love the fact that, you know, this looks like it could be my skin. So, and it's set pretty nicely. Remember, it was very orangey in the beginning. It's set to my skin tone pretty nicely. So we might have a new girlfriend on the block. Hey girl, welcome to the block. So that's that.